check it out.
So I'm gonna go ahead and try a different one today. It's corn and cheese.
Corn and cheese empanada, okay.
Yikes.
Good?
Just a little different. Yeah, it's good.
So I'm trying to teach Beto some more lessons on catching the girls.
Yeah, no luck.
The women. I mean, you can never go wrong with flowers, really. I mean, my favorite flower is tulips, guys, in case you care. I don't see tulips out here, but I don't think you can ever go wrong getting a girl flowers, really. And they smell so pretty.
Shelley, so how are you feeling? How are you doing?
Oh, good. I'm enjoying myself.
Anything you've...
It's always nice to come to places like this to people watch, and, you know, it's such an eclectic mix of people. And before we leave, I have to try this jerk chicken, so
all right.
Don't stop me. Sauce. So he made a special little plate of it for me. So here we go. This is so good. This is so good. Oh my god. Makes me wish I were in Jamaica right now. Yeah, man.